2023 Range Rover Sport Hybrid Design. Evidence gathered from test mule sightings like Wilco blocks are a testimony to the fact that the Range Rover Sport will yet again assume the role of the Range Rover's close sibling. The proportions and signature design cues are retained. Progress will be evolutionary, although that's exactly what loyal customers would seek in the subsequent model generation. Spy media of the next-gen Range Rover Sport's front end indicates a slightly curvy headlamp, which does not conform to the new Range Rover design language. Perhaps the disguise is purposely planted to guard the final design, but the finishing is way realistic to call these provisional headlamps. The radiator grille's frame and inserts look identical to the bigger model. On the sides, the visibly short overhangs are clear indicators of the test mule being the Range Rover Sport. At the rear, the quad tailpipes suggest that we're probably looking at the SVR variant. Another difference, though not as clearly visible in these images, could be a strongly tapering D-pillars on the Sport, a design feature that may remind some of the Range Rover SV Coupe that was not mass-produced. Interior. Extensive changes could be seen on the inside, although JLR designers may loop the classical SUV elements like the four-spoke steering, a chunky dashboard, vertical AC vents, and so on. In one of the prototypes, Auto Express reader Peter Sue spotted a large central screen, which could be the 2022 Range Rover's Pivi Pro infotainment system that uses a 13.1-inch unit. Safety. JLR is testing the 2023 Range Rover Sport with a mysterious circular object on the roof, and according to our friends at Auto Evolution, it is likely a lighter. Chances are that it is a new generation lighter that is more compact and coming from German engineering company Bosch. Bosch says that its first long-range lidar sensor is indispensable for SAE Level 3, 4, and 5 autonomous driving functions. It can work in both long and close ranges, and thus, it is suitable on highways and in the city. As the all-new Range Rover isn't available with a lidar yet, we doubt the all-new Range Rover Sport would feature it at launch. Platform and powertrains. The RR Sport will be underpinned by the new MLA, Modular Longitudinal Architecture, platform. The MLA supports full electrification, and with a Range Rover EV already confirmed for launch in 2024, a Range Rover Sport EV should follow a year or two later.